Royal Rumble 2026 has officially come to an end. And if you missed the event last night, honestly, there's no need to stress at all. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the entire Royal Rumble step by step, without unnecessary talk and without wasting your time. The event kicks off with the 30 Women Royal Rumble match. And as soon as the countdown hits 0, the first entrant is Charlotte Flair. A strong start, exactly what everyone expected. Right after that, when Alexa Bliss enters at number 2, the crowd gets a little confused because Alexa and Charlotte have been tag partners before. There's a small tease between them. For a moment, it feels like maybe there'll be a fight, maybe an elimination. But no, it's just mind games. They don't actually go at each other. Then Kiana James enters, and slowly the ring starts filling up. As soon as Nia Jax makes her entry, the crowd reaction is very clear. After that come Ivy Nile and then Lola Vice, who gets a pretty solid reaction from the crowd. The real momentum of the match changes when Jordynne Grace enters. Up until this point, there hasn't been a single elimination, and Jordynne Grace comes in and immediately eliminates 3 superstars at once. That was a clear statement from WWE. Then we get an emotional moment. Charlotte Flair goes for a kick on Nia Jax, but unfortunately, in that same movement, Alexa Bliss also falls and gets eliminated. Honestly, that moment hurt a little for me, but it was very clear, this was not intentional. After that, the match keeps getting more interesting. Becky Lynch makes her entry, and everyone knows the history between Charlotte and Becky. Then Sol Ruca comes in, and her performance genuinely feels like a future star in the making. When Maxine Dupree and then Natalya, now Nattie, in her heel version, enter, we get a big shock. Nattie eliminates Becky Lynch. With this moment, WWE makes one thing very clear. This is not the old Natalya anymore. Then the crowd favorites start coming in. Liv Morgan enters, and the crowd is completely behind her. Chelsea Green also gets a nice pop. After that, Io Sky, Asuka, and then Rhea Ripley. The moment Rhea Ripley enters the ring, the entire arena explodes. Chaos immediately breaks out. But then the next few entries completely bring it back to life. Nikki Bella enters to an insane crowd reaction. Then Brie Bella comes in, and we get the Bella twins reunion. Finally, Tiffany Stratton enters at number 30, and the crowd response is very strong. Now the match reaches its final phase. In the end, only 3 superstars remain: Tiffany Stratton, Sol Ruca, and Liv Morgan. There's a crazy balance moment where it feels like all 3 might fall. But in the end, Liv Morgan eliminates Tiffany Stratton. And with that, Liv Morgan wins the Women's Royal Rumble 2026. The pyro moment is a little awkward, but the result itself is solid. After that, we get AJ Styles vs Gunther. With AJ's career on the line, Gunther's disrespect, AJ Styles fighting back, close falls and submission drama, everything is there. In the end, Gunther makes AJ Styles pass out. AJ leaves his gloves in the ring and pauses for a goodbye moment. A genuinely emotional and legendary scene. Then comes Drew McIntyre vs Sami Zayn for the undisputed WWE Championship. The outcome is predictable, but the execution is top class. A hell of a kick out, a brutal announce table spot, and finally a double claymore. Drew McIntyre retains the title. Now we reach the main attraction, the Men's Royal Rumble 2026. The match is opened by Oba Femi, who looks like an absolute monster. The biggest shock comes when Braun Breaker is eliminated almost immediately. Oba Femi completely dominates the early phase. Then we see a mix of NXT Power debuts and returns. Trick Williams gets massive chance. Cody Rhodes makes his entry. Powerhouse Hobbs debuts. LA Knight returns. Then Brock Lesnar enters. Destruction mode fully on. We even get a face-off between Brock Lesnar and Oba Femi. In the final stretch, Roman Reigns enters. Then Randy Orton returns with vintage RKOs. And at number 30, Gunther comes in. Pure heat. The final 4 are Roman Reigns, Gunther, Randy Orton, and Logan Paul. One by one, eliminations happen. And in the end, Roman Reigns eliminates Gunther. With that, Roman Reigns wins the Royal Rumble 2026 and officially heads toward WrestleMania 42. The overall verdict is simple. Match quality was high. Crowd moments were strong. Yes, some things were predictable, and returns felt a bit limited. But overall, it was an entertaining Royal Rumble. In the next video, we'll talk about WrestleMania plans, future storylines, and some shocking directions. Until then, stay tuned.